This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips, and I'm going to show you how anybody, if you're a locksmith, and my wife is not a locksmith, but you know, she's in the presence of a locksmith, anybody can pick through a residential quickset lock with one of these beautiful Lishi tools. So she's never done it before in her life, and we're gonna have a demonstration here. So first of all, I got to lubricate this lock because it's old. Okay, so here we go. First, lubricate your lock pretty good. Now, honey, come over here, and I'll put the Lishi in for her, because this is kind of delicate. You don't want to bend that little teeny gorgeous tool. All right, there you go. So she's never done it before, so go ahead and start.
You said bend this out?
Yep, you just take that out and push a little bit of pressure down on it. In fact, I'll put the pressure.
Okay.
No, you go ahead. You put the pressure. Just hold your finger on that and come over here on this side. And let's see. Yeah, hold that down. Now put your finger like down here and start with number 5. Just hold the pressure. Don't let loose of the pressure, though. All right, there's nothing on 5. Now pull it out to 4. All right, go ahead and push down. Keep the even pressure. There's nothing on 4. Don't let loose of the pressure. You have to keep your finger on the pressure.
Okay.
This is fun.
There, I heard a click.
Okay, there was a click on what? Don't let
3.
loose of the pressure. You got to start all over again.
You're kidding.
No, so hold the pressure down on that tension rod. Always hold pressure on the tension rod.
So I'm going back to 5?
No, just stay on 3 there.
Do it again?
Yep. And don't let loose of the pressure, because
okay.
it's going to turn like a key with you, with your hand on it. Okay, did you get a click out of that bad boy?
I'm not sure.
Just come out to the next one. There you go. Chamber 2. Don't let loose of the pressure. Nothing on 2. Come out to 1. Nothing on 1. You got pressure down on that rod?
Yeah.
Go back to 5. Don't let loose of the pressure. All right, push down on that.
Nothing there.
Okay, nothing on that.
Oh, you want me to go back to 4?
Yep. There you go. Oh, hear that click?
Yes,
She's a professional locksmith now. All right, and we're on 3. Keep the pressure. Did you get a click?
I don't think so.
Okay. So we got 4 set.
Nothing on 2.
Nothing on 2. Oh, she's getting good at this. Keep that pressure down. Now put more pressure on, a little bit more. All right. Go back to 5. All right, keep going there. Nothing on 5. I'm shocked. Well, oh, okay, so 4 had lost its pressure. Keep your even pressure on that.
Yeah, I am.
Good girl. Oh, I heard that one on 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1.
Are we done?
No, the door's got to open. You got to, like, turn that key, you know. Well, I might be wrong. I thought you could pull this off. These Lishis are really cool tools. Oh, I heard that. So she got something on, what was that, 3?
3.
Keep your finger down. Nothing on 2. Keep your finger on that pressure. Now, go back again.
Well, they have to all be released.
They have to all click. Nothing on 5. Yeah, she's giving a shot. Hey, did it click?
I don't know.
I don't either. I can't tell for sure.
I don't think any of them are clicking now. Is that what it's supposed to do?
Okay, let's see if a professional locksmith can do it.
I got a
Oh, look at her finger. Oh, her finger. Oh, man, that's kind of sad. I'm sorry about that. All right, let's let's give it another try. All right, so we're going to go back to 5. Nothing on 5. Let's just see how long this takes. Nothing on 4. Nothing on. Oh, there's just nothing. Let's see. Let's pick it the other way. Nothing on 5. Oh, got a set. Nothing on 1. Boy, this is, maybe there's nothing on nothing. Hold on, here we go. All right, there we got a true 5 click. Yeah, we got a 4. This has never been probably a key in here for 50 years. Nothing on 2. Nothing. 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 Oh, I wish I could have turned a key in this first to see if it even works. Maybe it doesn't work. Let's try it the other direction. All right, we'll try it one more time here. Okay, we're going to try 5. I felt that. 4, got a click. Yeah, 3. 2. Oh, I heard a fault set back again. This would have helped if I would have seated it. All right, here, we'll give it another shot. We've got 5. There's the 4. There's 3. Got set on 2. Nothing on 1, so we'll go back. 5. 4. 3. Nothing on 2. This 1 is a troublesome. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. Nope. Let's spray some more lube in this thing. Okay, these pins are froze up in here. So this is what you'd normally go through if you're trying to pick through something. But with this Lishi, this should pop right through this bad boy. Let's give it another shot here. We're not giving up because, you know, I'm getting paid big bucks for this one. Right, honey?
Yeah, right.
All right, so here we go. I'll get you through this door, ma'am, soon. Yeah, had 1 on 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. There, 1 on 2. Nothing on 1. Boy, we're almost there. This is nothing. Oh, we're in after this has probably not been picked in at least maybe ever. So you want to give it a try again? I got through it. Let's give it a try. So we're in the lock position. I'm going to give her one more try. What do you think, folks? You think you want to see her try this? I'll hold the tension wrench and you just click your way through this bad boy with a beautiful Lishi quick set. All right, I'll use this hand. All right, I've got the tension on it. And so you're going to start on 1 or 5, whatever you'd like.
I can't see that.
All right, let me move aside here. All right, there we go. I got the tension.
So I'm going on 5 first.
Okay. Got to click on 5. Nothing on that.
I think it clicked.
Okay.
Nothing on this one.
Oh, you got to kind of push through it a little bit. for it to click.
I keep going.
Keep going. Yeah, almost there. Where are you at?
I'm on 1, I think.
Okay.
It's hard to see. Oop, that clicked and went
Yeah,
through.
we've got a set now. We've got a
So
set.
now
So
what do we
start
do?
back to 5. Isn't this wonderful?
1, it clicked.
Click on 5. Click on 4. Keep going. No, nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. Click on 1. Go back to 5. Oh, come on, baby.
Nothing happened.
Good. Nothing on 4. Oh, good, good, good. 3, click. Going down on that.
What?
Try it a little harder. Nothing on 3, or is that 2?
2. I think that's 2. There, that one clicked.
Okay, good, good. Keep going. We're gonna pick our way through. Beautiful Lishi quick set.
That one didn't click. 4 didn't, or 3 didn't click.
Well, here, let's pull it. Let's reset this thing. All right. Let's get these pins going up and down. These pins haven't been moved in 20 years. I'm sure of it.
Probably as old as the garage.
Yep. So let's see if I can pick through it again.
Probably at least 70 or 80 years old.
Probably. All right. I might have been holding the tension rod too hard.
You can do that, huh?
Yep. Got to click on all these. There we go. I think it's 3 or 2 is the one that's giving us trouble. Might be 3 is the problem. I'm hearing the pins going back. We're going to reset this. Set on 1, on 5, on 4. Nothing on 3. There on 2. Nothing on 1. There may be only 4 pins in this. On 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. There. Oh, I was through. I was through. You know, this thing is so corroded. Let's give it some juice now. We'll give her some more juice. I want her to get pit through this lock. I just do. Honey, I want you to get through this lock. All right, so take our little Lishi pick. You see we're through. Oh,
I'm going to put that can down.
saw something fly off
Under
of
the
it.
can.
Okay, there we go. Oh, by the way, give me that can. I got to show you what we're lubricating this with. We're using Tri-Flow. This is the best in the business. I mean, seriously. You want some lubricant that'll cut through 20 years of crud? Use Tri-Flow. All right, let's try this again. All right, we're set again. So we know the pins are moving now. We'll give it one more try. All right, I'm going to not put so much tension. My wife's going to give it another shot here. And I'm going to...
Maybe I can pull
Okay,
it down.
put tension down. Click on 5. You call out the clicks when you hear them.
Can't get it to slide. Why isn't it sliding?
Uh-oh. Let me check that out. don't know. I don't want to stop the camera. This lock is so shot. I got clicks on all these pins. They just reset. This isn't easy as everybody shows it. There's a click on 5. There's a click on 4. There's a click. You know, 3 is the hard pin. Got a click on 2 and a click on 1. We're probably through, but nothing on 2, 1 and 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. Nothing on 5. Yep, we're through. So it can be done. The pins are all messed up. So let's try it one more time. Now 3 is our trouble. So I'll coach her a little bit on this. I can see 3 is the pin that's sticking. So let's give it another shot. So what you call them out? Anything on 5?
No.
What is that?
4 it clicked.
Okay.
3 it clicked.
Oh, good. Well, that's good. I'm rooting for you, baby.
I don't think it did anything on 2. Or 1.
Okay, I think 1's missing, to be honest with you.
So I start over on 5?
Yep.
Click.
Okay, click on 5. Click
4.
on 4.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, gotta
Clicked on
click on 3.
I think. Nothing on 2.
Okay, good. They're set. Okay, now try just turning that key. Just turn it a little bit. It's kind of wiggling.
Here. Oh, there
She was in. The cylinder is jammed in here. She was in. Oh, congrats. Congrats. So say hello to YouTube. This is her first time trying this. Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
So there you go. Anybody can do it. And this is proof positive. So we're going to say smash that like button. Tell all your friends. Ring that bell, and we'll have more fun videos for you. A little bit of ingenuity and a great tool, this Lishi, and some lubricant, Tri-Flow, and you can get through a 20-year-old lock. Proof positive. Thank you, folks. Come back.